So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a 2D 2-axis chart on a Keynote presentation. So once you open up your Keynote presentation, go to the top here, press on chart, make sure that 2D is selected just like this. So if you're on 3D, make sure that 2D is selected. Now if you're looking for the 2D 2-axis chart, go down to the 6th row right here, and on the right hand side, press on this graph right here. And to verify that you actually selected the correct one, simply just scroll down by pressing on the graph right here. Go to the bottom right, scroll down to where it says chart type, 2D 2-axis. Make sure that this one is selected just like this. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to add a 2D 2-axis chart on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.